Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I actually have a bit of a different video just because I felt like sitting down, having a little chat. I know I look a little bit weird, I haven't got any eye makeup on today just because it's so hot outside. I'm just like, I can't deal with that. Can't deal with no eyelashes on today, so we've gone bare. I hope you don't mind. So if my eyes look a little bit weird, that is why. Or not weird, just different to usual. I thought I would just run through some of the stuff that I've been buying recently because autumn is one of my favourite times of year, and it's one of the times, so like autumn and Christmas are the two times that I practically spend my whole year's worth of money because I just cannot resist the decor. So I thought I would hop on and give you a little update of the things I've been buying. I haven't bought that much because I've tried to be quite conservative where I've been spending and then doing like a half of buying and DIY as well to save myself as much money as possible because that's what I like to do. So I'll start off with this bag that I got from TKMAXX. So the first bit I got, which doesn't really look that autumny, is just a huge bunch of like fake eucalyptus. I know that I've seen on a few like videos and stuff like that that Poundland have been doing eucalyptus recently. I haven't come across it myself, but always end up using it myself in like autumn wreaths and Christmas wreaths, and I even used it in like Easter one this year I think. But yeah, just love eucalyptus. So yeah, I usually buy my eucalyptus in Dunelm, which is £2.50 a sprig I think. So like one of these for like a shorter one which has slightly less branches on I think, so £2.50 for one. This bunch here came with 5 and it was at £9.99, which seems a bit expensive, I know, for a bunch of fake plastic leaves, but I actually really like these ones. I think they look fairly realistic, you know, like they don't look too plasticky. Some of them look absolutely awful, and I know because I've bought cheaper ones. Like the back of these like leaves have like brown bits on. I don't know, I think these are the most convincing ones I've seen so far. And yeah, they came in like really long stems. Like look at these stems. So if you wanted to put them in a tall like vase or something, they would work perfect for that, or obviously you can cut them off. You've got the option. But yeah, just seen these cheeky little ones in TKMAXX, and as I wanted some anyway, I picked those up. While still on the subject of like flowery business, I went to a florist, like a local florist, and I picked up some cotton stems. Now they had never heard of them. They managed to get the got itchy eye. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so my florist had never actually heard of cotton stems before, but they managed to get hold of some from one of their suppliers or something like that. It took a little while to get hold of them. I went around everywhere trying to look for some because I know at this time of year they're kind of hard to get. Sometimes they come in like Christmas bouquets and stuff, but I've never seen them by themselves. I did see someone tell me that they were in Hobbycraft at Christmas times. I feel like that was Tony on Instagram. I'm not sure who that was. But yeah, I've seen that they come in that at Christmas. I'm not sure how much they cost. These were quite expensive, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, here they are. Like, can you see? They're this tall, by the way. They're sat on the floor, so when you sit down, cross your legs, they're as tall as that. They're about a metre long, I think, but I just love them. There are some more like all the way down to here. Each one has over 7 kind of balls on it, which I really like. I did see a few comments about making them, and that was on my list of things to do, but actually I feel like sometimes when you DIY stuff you need some real natural stuff in there as well. And for the cotton wool ball thingy bobby stems, I didn't want to make them. I thought it would be nice to have actually some natural pieces in there, so I just stuck with buying them as a little treat to myself. I'm going to keep some as stems, as decor pieces for some DIYs that I've got coming up, and then put them in wreaths and stuff for autumn and Christmas, so I get my money worth out of them, because like I said, they were a little bit expensive. The next thing I picked up was from TKMAXX again, and it was just this stack of pumpkins that's like a ceramic. So it's this gorgeous whitey grey beige colour, and then it's got like all these like brown speckles on. Like, can you see? I absolutely love it. It just makes it look so kind of, I don't know, vintagey, rusticy, just so farmhousey. I just love it, could not resist. I've been waiting for the more muted pumpkins to come into TKMAXX. They had quite a lot of orange ones to begin with, and I like the orange pumpkins, but I know I've got a lot of orange accents already, so I wanted to bring more neutrals in before I bring more oranges in. So yeah, really happy I found this. This is actually a light up. Can you see that label? Light up. It's got like a fake flickery candle inside, but it's very orange. I haven't tried it out at night time yet because I don't really like the orangeness, but you know, it's in there. Can you see through the hole? There's like the candle flame. Wait, there it is, see? The candle wicker is just like battery operated. This was $16.99, which is, you know, not bad, but I mean, this piece is massive, and if you don't smash it, it can last you forever. So all round a great piece. Oh my goodness, I've actually had my glasses on, but I've taken them off because I've got lights on, and look how annoying that is. Isn't that annoying? But yeah, a few candles I've picked up recently were DW home ones. The DW home ones come autumn time are my favourite, just because you get the most pumpkin scents in there, and obviously you can get them in TKMAXX and Home Sense because they are US imports, I do believe. But this is the first one. This is the Farmhouse Cider. Love the packaging on this. I think it's very like apothecary inspired, but I just love it. It's part of the DW naturals. So this one here is a coconut wax blend rather than like your soy waxes and whatever other waxes come into it, but this one smells really, really nice. Oh yeah, it's not too like of a sickly sweet pumpkin smell. It says warm aromatic spices blended with crisp apple and pear with a touch of sparkling citrus. So it's a really nice fresh pumpkin scent, real nice. If you haven't smelled this, give it a go because it is delightful. The other one is up here. Don't know what part of brand this one's from. Just says DW Home Wild Woods pumpkin clove. It looks like this. Absolutely gorgeous jar. Again, real nice matte kind of finish with a nice wood lid. This one here does have a wood wick. I did burn it last night and it did give off a great crackling smell. Great crackling smell. Oh my goodness, this one smells amazing as well. Very clovey. If you don't like cloves, you will hate this, but I really like clove scent. I think it's a bit more masculine, a little bit more masculine with the clove. I don't know, love that one. And then the other one I got was a DW Home hand poured white pumpkin. This one here is lovely. This one here comes in so many different designs. I've seen this one in about 4 different kind of, is it even focusing? Probably not, but 4 different packages. This one again is what, 250 grams. Doesn't say the burn time. Well, this one here was $5.99 and the other 2 were $7.99 each. This one is 500 grams, so double the size of that one. Even though it doesn't look double the size, it is. And yeah, this one here is 330 grams, so they're the same price. Just get this one. It's amazing. The other 2 things that I bought in TKMAXX actually were room sprays. These I didn't even know they existed, but I seen a friend of mine on Instagram and she picked them up and I was like, I need to go hunting for them. I didn't actually find them straight away, but in the candle section, like on one of the bottom shelves, like I just looked in behind and they were kind of at the back of the shelves. So either someone has hid them there for themselves to come back and get later, or you know, they just shove them in wherever they want, probably more likely to be that. But the first one that I bought was this one here. It is a cinnamon pumpkin. Oh, can you see that? The packaging of these is really, really nice. They're in like aluminium spray bottles, which I kind of really appreciate as well. They were $2.99 each, and this one here didn't have a lid, but I don't care. Oh my god, oh my god. I should not have done that. The scent payoff them is amazing. I bought them actually. It says do not spray on fabric or furnishings, probably because it's going to be flammable, isn't it? But I do give it a little spray, not gonna lie. Just yeah, so there's that one, and then I got a vanilla pumpkin as well, which smells delightful. The packaging on this one confuses me a little bit because it is pumpkin and it's vanilla, and it's just like a load of flowers on the packaging, which is a bit odd, but again, aluminium can. Really, really like it. I don't know what brand these are. It just says GC Fragrance. distributed in California, so another American import, which is probably why it smells so good. But yeah, never heard of GC fragrance, but really like it, really rate them. So would recommend keeping an eye out for these bad boys. Both GC fragrance, both $2.99. I think that's a really good price, $2.99. While still on the kind of home fragrance little section there, I went into Tesco's and they had the new home inspiration Yankee candles out, and you're not going to believe it, but they actually have a pumpkin chai latte scent in the UK. Like, we never get stuff like this, and now we finally have. So yeah, I just picked up the little votive because I don't need any more candles, but I couldn't resist it. It smells really, really good. It reminds me of one of the Bath and Body Works candles. But yeah, really, really happy with that. They obviously had the large jars, medium and small, the votives and the wax melts in there. But yeah, just love that. Can't believe it. They're going to be really easy to access for everyone, which I just love, because then you can have pumpkin scents in your house just by nipping to Tesco's, and that is a dream. The last thing I have to show you is something I actually bought last year, but I seen in TKMAXX this year again, and I thought, I'm not going to buy another set. I'm just going to show you. It's these pumpkin lights. So like I said, I bought these last year. They are just blown kind of glass pumpkins, like this Mercury style. Look at that. Oh my goodness, aren't they beautiful? I just can't get enough of these. Yeah, I love these. So I seen them in there again this week, and I just thought I'm going to share that with you just in case you really like them. I think they were like $12.99, $14.99, somewhere around there. Bit expensive, but the quality of them is lush. Now we have actually smashed one. Where's the light? There. Look at that. Smash one. Tommy dropped the box of autumn decor, and now we just have this like odd dangerous light on here, so I don't really know what to do with that. Maybe I'm going to smash the glass off and just tape it up just to protect it. I don't know, but I love this. So cute, and I had to show you. So that's pretty much all that I have bought new for autumn decor so far. Probably going to do one like more big shop. There's a few little things that I want, like some tea towels, a new wreath. I'm going to DIY one and then buy one as well, I think, and maybe a couple more pumpkins along the way. So if I do buy some more things and I gather them up, I will share that with you. But I just thought I'd hop on today, give you a little updated little kind of thing of what's in the stores right now. So just in case you're like me and want to get it early, then you can. I will be DIY most of my decor, as you probably have guessed already, so that's why I haven't bought too much. I don't want to go overboard. I mean, I go overboard with everything, but I didn't want to go overboard buying too much. So I'm really happy with all the things that I've purchased. I've purchased them knowing that they're all going to have uses, and yeah, they're all going to be like forever pieces like this. I just love this pumpkin tower so much. It's been on my fireplace for the past week. Can't get over it. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this little updated haul casualness going on, and I will see you very soon for another video. Bye!